In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure sensitive files in Google Drive. Protecting your sensitive data is crucial, especially when it's stored in the cloud, where it can be more vulnerable to unauthorized access. Thankfully, Google Drive offers built-in features that can help you safeguard your documents. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First things first, go to your web browser and head over to Google Drive's website. If you haven't already signed in, do so using your Google credentials. When you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main interface where all your files and folders are displayed. Next, look for the file you want to secure. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or any other type of file you store in Google Drive. Once you've pinpointed the right file, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is the menu icon, appearing on the right side next to the file name. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Share option. Clicking Share opens a new dialog box, which provides various sharing settings. This is where you control who can and cannot access your file. You'll probably see a section that lists people who already have access, along with their permission levels. Google Drive, by default, may have the link sharing set to a more open option, which allows anyone with the link to view or even edit the file. To tighten security, you'll need to adjust these settings. In the new dialog, you'll see a drop-down that often says something like, Anyone with the link. Click on this drop-down, where you'll see an option called Restricted. Select Restricted to limit access to only those you specifically invite. This setting ensures that only people whose email addresses you add will be able to view or interact with the file. It's a vital step for keeping your sensitive data secure. Once you've set the file to Restricted, take a moment to review any names or email addresses in the list of people who already have access. Make sure only trusted individuals are included here. If you need to add someone, type their email address in the provided field and decide their role: viewer, commenter, or editor. Finally, after you've verified and adjusted these settings, click on Done in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. This confirms your changes and closes the sharing settings. And that's it! Your file is now secure, restricted to only those you've granted access to. This process significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized viewing or sharing. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your sharing settings on Google Drive can help keep your sensitive data safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.